Learning to read with Happy Bird. Hello. The short story we are going to read today is Bird and Mouse, and we are going to team read the story together. When Happy Bird flies over a word like this, I will read it out. And when Happy Bird flies under a word like this, you will read it out. It is going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is Bird. This is Mouse. Is this bird? No, this is Mouse. Is this Mouse? No, this is Mouse. Where is Mouse? Mouse is here. Where is Bird? Bird is here. Bird and Mouse are happy. Are Bird and Mouse happy? Yes, Bird and Mouse are happy. The end. Did you enjoy team reading? So did Happy Bird. This short story is based on the book Hello Bird by Happy Books. It's very easy to read. The pictures are full of colors and you can learn new words at the end. Check the link below the video to learn more. Let's learn some of the words we read in the story. Remember, when Happy Bird flies over a word like this, I will read it out. And when Happy Bird flies under a word like this, you will read it out. Are you ready? Let's start. Is and this. Here. It's time to go. Watch out for more videos on this channel. Goodbye.